Turning now to the latest on the global extortion cyber attack that hit dozens of countries today. A law enforcement official says investigators believe additional companies in the United States have been affected by the global ransomware software cyber attack, but have not come forward to report it yet. Channel 2 anchor Lauren Freeman joins us now from the newsroom with more on this story. Lauren?
That's right. You know, whether it's at home or at work, we're all on computers all the time, and really anyone can be affected by one of these cyber attacks. Right now, for the companies and the individuals that are affected by this one, law enforcement is asking that you contact them and to not pay that ransom. Now, President Donald Trump's Homeland Security advisor says that so far, no U.S. federal systems have been affected by this global terror attack, cyber attack, rather. Tom Bossert says the U.S. government has been closely monitoring the attack, which has affected an estimated 300,000 machines in 150 countries. He noted that a few U.S. businesses, including FedEx, were affected. Computers across the world were locked up Friday, though, and users' files held for ransom when dozens of countries were hit in a cyber extortion attack that targeted hospitals, companies, and also government agencies.
I think because these individuals have affected so many countries, it's more likely than not that they will ultimately be apprehended and prosecuted. But that will do very, very little, if anything, to stop the spread of ransomware globally.
Now you can hear more from the former head of national counterterrorism on NBC Nightly News. That's today at 5:30 here on Channel 2. And right now our web team is also gathering information on ways that you can protect yourself if you are hit by a cyber attack. We have plenty of information at click2houston.com. This is one example of one of the articles that we have where you can find more information because, again, we're all on computers all day long these days, so it affects a lot of people. Sarah?
All right, Lauren, absolutely. Thank you for the report.